there was sentinels within the tribes on the Trail of Tears. The thoughts, actions, and emotional disturbances were emanated from others within the tribe. The Sentinel picks this up and carefully manages the tribes within. So there is calmness amongst all. There is withholdedness of none. This is not meant to invade one's space, but an allowance for an awareness of one's soul. Therein lay the power of the tribe as one, as we all were one, and we knew this. The Sentinel upheld his job and approached all with findings, not pointing out any souls, for they know and knew who they were.